So a new Queen update came out that generates videos with audio included, no watermark, and it's totally free. Look at these results right here.
What do you want to say?
You first?
I like it here.
Looks good, right? But they always make their promotional videos look good. So today we'll test it to see if it's really good or just more hype. Shall we see? Alright, to access it, just go to this site. I'll leave the link in the description. You can log in with a Google account if you don't have one, or register with any of these options. After you log in, you will be brought to this chat screen. Then you just need to press this button and type in your prompt. Let's test it out with this prompt and see the final results. It's all set. You can download your video here using this button. Let's see if the video is good. Oh wow, this really surprised me. Let's test it in other formats and different prompts to see if the consistency is good.
You're watching, aren't you?
Let's test if we tell him to edit something in the video, if he changes it or not. If he has the capacity to remember what he created, because if so, that would be surreal. It actually turned out quite good, but it exceeded its capabilities. Okay, now let's look at what matters most to us, which is from image to video, if it can maintain consistency, if the voice comes out well. I generated this image and I'm going to send a prompt, and we'll see what it creates.
I'm going to paste my prompt, and then I'll click Send.
For this one, I have very high expectations because that image looks very realistic, and if it can do a good job following the prompt I sent, maintaining quality, consistency, the voice sounds good, and still follow the prompt exactly, then it will definitely be my new favorite video generator. Just a reminder, folks, that it also generates images and edits. We can test them too. It's ready. Let's see if it's good.
Hi, good morning, everyone. So I'm very happy because today is my birthday.
Dude, this is insanely good. Seriously, I'm very impressed. The voice is also really good. It seems they really nailed the image to video model. Let's test it in the 9:16 format with an image now. I'll send this image to him. Let's see what happens. It's ready, so let's see. Remember, folks, if you want to redo the video without re-entering everything, just click this button. And if you didn't like the output, click the negative button, and if you liked it, click the positive one. This helps them improve the model increasingly for us. So, always evaluate. Now let's see what it generated.
Hey guys, what's up?
This is absolutely fantastic. What do you all think, everyone? Please leave your thoughts in the comments.